In Part 4 of Lecture 8, we will discuss browser cache. If you are like me, you browse through more than one web page at a single sitting. This may involve going back several times to one or two specific pages. Whether that page requires requesting and downloading one document or 100, it can take a finite amount of time for the page to be loaded completely into your browser window. If going back over and over again means reloading the page over and over, that can slow down whatever it is you are doing. For this reason, most browsers save the files that they are loading into a special area known as the browser cache. All the documents you downloaded will be saved there, as long as there is available room for it. When it fills up and you aren't finished browsing, it will replace that document with a newer one whenever it starts downloading that newer document. Whenever you want a browser to return to that page or document, it will check the cache first. If the page has changed, you can always press the refresh button and it will download all over again. At one point or another, you may choose to see what you have stored in your browser cache. If you are using Google Chrome, you can find it by typing the URL chrome://cache. Exactly what you see may differ by browser or even by browser version. If you are using a browser other than Google Chrome, the exact method of getting to where the cache is may be different. Browsers keep track of every site that you have visited. This can be very convenient, but to protect your privacy, you may not wish to keep track of this. What you can do is delete all or part of your history. Using Google Chrome, history is a menu option. If you go there, you can either choose specific pages that you want to delete from your history, or you can delete every page over the past hour, day, week, or even the entire history list. Constantly clearing your history can become a major nuisance. So browsers typically give you an alternative: private browsing, also called incognito browsing. The browser will not keep track of the history of private browsing. So if privacy is important to you, this will work. But please keep in mind your browser history may still be kept by your internet service provider. This is just another reason why honesty is the best policy. The illustration on the slide shows how to switch to private browsing. This example uses Google Chrome, so it will look a bit different if you are using Firefox or some other browser. Many people use browsers to make use of online services that require a password, such as email, shopping on Amazon, reading the New York Times, or any other newspaper online. Browsers give you the option of having the browser save your password to speed up the process of logging onto password-protected websites. It is faster, but there is a potential risk that your password can be stolen. Never save a password on a computer that someone else may use. This illustration shows a Google Chrome browser window. On the settings menu, it will give you the opportunity to manage your passwords. In this illustration, it shows you that you can even show if you wish to see the password.